Hi, I'm Melissa Brown, fixing to do my Varroa mite check. Having a few problems with some hives early this year, early into the winter, not quite winter. This is a particular hive that I'm concerned about. I just pulled the apivar strips off of it today, and upon doing that, I noticed that my bee count is really low. I do still have a queen, but I've had several friends that are having problems with mites even though they treated with the apivar strips. So unfortunately that's what I did treat with, and so I'm going to go into this hive and forgot to bring my sheet to check off all the points of what I'm supposed to do and what I'm supposed to show you. So hopefully I will cover everything. If not, I'll do it again because there's plenty more hives to treat. I don't use alcohol. I use windshield wiper fluid. That's what my mentor uses. So why mess up a good thing? Here's my shaker container. Usually put a tiny bit of washer fluid in here. Hopefully you can see this. You cannot. Put that in there, the basket in there. And then I usually shake my bees into a different container and then pour them into the basket. It's just a little bit easier for me to kind of get an idea of how many bees I'm using, and I don't have to hit the rim of this little tiny cup. Unfortunately, I'm not sure you're going to be able to see all this, but hopefully I can make it happen for you. First, I'm going to go in and try to catch my queen. I did see her earlier. She's marked. I marked her. I got her this year. She was born this year, so I marked her with a white marker. Hopefully she'll be easy to see. And I have my queen clip in my handy dandy pocket. So here we go. I was just in this hive, so I know that they're not really that agitated at this point. The count is super low, so I'm not really worried about smoking too much. Yeah, not cool. Not cool. I also know that she was in this second box, and this top box is not got a whole lot of bees in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and move it out of the way. Here we go. Let's find the old girl. The hive still has a pretty good amount of brood in it, but it's older brood. Do see some. Just not seeing the numbers that I would like to see. And there's also some really, I don't know, maybe you can see it on here. I got all this mess in my way. There's a few real chalky bees and some bees with some deformed wings, which is another reason I want to test this particular hive. It's not there. Ha, I see her already. I thought it did. There she is. Alright, lady, I saw you a second ago. There you are. Alright, I have my queen secured. Just have to trust me on that. I don't have to worry about shaking her and losing her. So I'm going to use these few frames to shake into my bucket here and then pour into my basket. Great. I just dropped one on my pants leg. Okay. Pretty confident I have enough bees here, so I'm going to dump them into this. Give them a good shake. Meantime, I'll start putting this hive back together because they're not happy campers. Problem is I can't walk and chew bubble gum at the same time, so. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, something's wrong because I'm getting way more mites than I should be with just, I don't know if you can see this or not. Way more mites. I have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, at least 8 or 9, and that's not acceptable for me just doing a treatment on them. Hopefully I covered everything I needed to. Thank you.